Yummy, yummy. Blackened garlic, food of the gods. I'm going to teach you how to take this raw garlic and turn it into this blackened garlic, and it's really easy. All you need is a rice cooker, and you need a rice cooker that has a warming button on it, because the only thing you're going to use is the warming button. You can find a rice cooker on Amazon or your friend's house, down in mom's cupboard. She hasn't used it in years, maybe. So anyway, this came from my brother. He wasn't using it. I was so thankful to get it, because they can be kind of expensive if they're not used. So what you do is you just put in your, you can cook as little or as much as you want. I use 2 pounds. And sometimes I even put 4 pounds in this. Okay, you close your lid. You put it in a location that you don't mind the smell, because it gives off a lot of garlic odor. So not your garage, not your house. Outside somewhere is best, maybe a garden shed or something like that. Okay, so you plug it in and push the warming button. You leave it for close to 15 days. Sometimes I've had it done as soon as 12 days. I start looking at it at about 9 days, because I'm so excited. I can't wait for it to be finished. So I like it when it's the texture of a gummy bear. I find it to be my favorite way to eat it. You can add this, smash it up and add it to foods, dips, salads, you name it. The suggestion is 2 to 3 cloves a day. It is fabulous for your immune system. It's known to be cancer fighting properties, and just all types of amazing benefits. So I encourage you to make your own blackened garlic. It's quite easy.